Welcome to this beautiful end unit, Kirkham Court in Danbury Forest in Springfield. You're not going to believe this townhome. Let's take a look. Welcome to your lower level where you get two spaces for the price of one. You've got this wonderful family recreation room area. You can watch TV, movies, beautiful wood-burning fireplace, and then you also have this beautiful playroom space with lots of light, or it could be a secondary office. And you can have some swinging fun in here. And then you walk out to a wonderful lower deck space with composite deck overlooking those beautiful woods. Look at this awesome kitchen for an end unit townhouse. You've got a great island, wonderful stainless steel appliances, tons of counter space, and even a place for a table, as well as a wonderful pantry station. And everyone needs a place to put your mail, keys, all the kids' stuff from school. So there you go. Can you believe you're sitting in Northern Virginia, just miles from the Beltway? Look at this beautiful Parkland right behind your home, tons of trails, and access to Lake Accotink. Test, test, test.